how to use HTML colors, and if you are searching that kind of video, you are in the right video. And I'm going to teach you how can you use HTML colors in this video. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe right now. So without any delay, let's begin to our tutorial. So now I'm going to show you my computer screen, and you have to follow all the steps to use HTML colors, and you will be clear and you will understand to use HTML colors. So here's my computer screen, and you can see there is a structure of HTML, and here is one of the important tutorial of HTML. Lots of people are practicing to learn how to use color in HTML5. Then this is the right video for you, but you have to watch until the last. There are several ways to use HTML colors, but if you know the CSS already, it will be very easy for you. But if you don't know about the CSS, maybe it will be some difficult also for you, but don't worry, I'll teach you in this video. So first of all, I'm using a p tag, okay, and inside this is my first color test, okay. I'm closing this one by pressing p tag, okay, and inside the p, you can see here is I'm using a if I run this file, just I'm going to launch in Chrome. Now you can see there is nothing, right? There is only this is my first color test. And from here, if I want to use the color, and first of all I have to use the style tag, and from here I'm just going to in style, okay, and from here I'm just giving the color code, background color, no, I want to use only color, and I'm using semicolon, and I'm just giving the red, and I'm closing this one, okay. And if I save it, and I'm going to launch in my Chrome browser, now you can see my paragraph text is already changed, right? So with the help of style tag, you can use the colors inside your paragraph. And if I want to use the color in the background color, okay, background color, and I'm using the tomato, okay, tomato, and I'm just saving it, and I'm running in my favorite Chrome browser. Now you can see there is a tomato background color available, right? But I think this is looking too much small. That's why I think I should to make it H1. If you don't know what is H1, you can check my previous video. This is already available inside my YouTube channel. And if I refresh this one, now you can see there is a tomato background color, right? And if you want to change the border, okay, border, solid 1px tomato, and if I run this one in the you can see there is a border in my heading, right? There are several ways to use the colors. The first way is you can use the hex color also, hex code also. You can use the RGB code also, or you can use SSL code also. But in this time, I think I should use the hex code. From where you can get the hex code? There is a website available, htmlcolorcodes.com. From there also you can use the HTML colors from here. And first of all, you have to choose your favorite color, and from here the website will provide you the hex color. Or if you know the idea about the Photoshop, you can get your hex color from here also. Now you can see there is also hex color inside here. Okay, so from here I'm going to give a hex color. So here I'm just giving a hex color from here. No, not from there. I think I should to go in my Chrome browser, and from here I am copying my hex color, and from here I'm just giving this one here. Okay, and now I'm saving it. And if I refresh my file, now you can see my border color is already changed, right? And if I want to change the background color, it's okay for me. If I want to change the background color, okay, so I'm just changing the background color with the help of the style. Okay, now I'm saving it by pressing Ctrl+S, and if I try to run this file in the Chrome, now you can see there is my best color, right? And with the help of the Photoshop also, you can use your favorite color. Now in this time I'm using the pink color, and now you can see inside the below there is a hex code available. Okay, so from here I'm using that hex code, and if I try to use this one, and if I run this my file in the Chrome, now you can see okay, it's not working. Maybe what happened? I think the hex code is not working in this way. If you know the proper knowledge of the Photoshop, then you can use the hex code from here also. So for this, first of all you have to click in the color, and after this you have to select your favorite color. Okay, now you can see there are various colors available. In this time I am using the blue color. Oh no, in this time I'm using the yellow color. No, I'm using the orange color. And from here you can see inside the below of the color picker window there is a hex color available, and I'm copying this one, and I'm going to in my notepad, and from here I'm just changing I'm just pasting that color code, and I'm using the hatch. Okay, now I'm saving it, and if I run my color inside my web browser, you can see there is already changed, right? Okay, for another test I'm using another. Okay, in this time I'm using the green color. Okay, now you can see there is hex code available, and I'm copying the hex code, and from here and from here I am just changing the hex code, and from here I'm just launching my web page. Now you can see my background color is already changed, right? So with the help of the style options, and you can use this one, the background color or the border color, or you can use the you can use your border color and the font color also, and lots options available to use your favorite color. Okay, so the first way is you can use the HTML color codes.com also to get your color codes, or you can use the Photoshop also to get the color code.
So thank you so much for watching this video, hoping that you understand to use HTML colors in HTML5. So if you have still any kind of confusions, you can ask me in the comment sections, and do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll meet with you on the video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you again.